Good morrow, my good children. I am Nick Piscotta, and these are my acquaintances, Davis Boykin, a pleasure, and Nisai Sun. Today we will be observing with great detail the true beauty of nature at its finest. In this episode we will examine the hedgehog. Quite a broad topic as there are many different species of hedgehogs. However, the main species are the European, four-toed, and the North African hedgehogs. Hedgehogs can range to approximately 5 to 13 inches when full grown and weigh in at about 14 to 39 ounces. In fact, many people often refer to the size as relative to that of a teacup. Small little fellows they are. Lastly, the average lifespan is typically around 5 to 8 years, but different species may vary. So without further ado, we will now present a clip of hedgehogs in their natural habitat.
The hedgehog nips the scorpion on the claw, almost begging to be stung. Just as the scorpion strikes, its armored body is crushed in two. Hedgehogs are 40 times more resistant to venom than other mammals their size. And tonight, that's paid off with another kill.
Welcome back. I do hope you enjoyed that terrific clip. Nevertheless, we shall continue. As you may have assumed, hedgehogs have very distinct behavior. Predation is a big factor in the life of a hedgehog, and many animals hunt and feed on hedgehogs. Some of these animals include European eagles, owls, jackals, and wild dogs. Hedgehogs are in fact hunters as well, as they have been seen feeding on insects, worms, centipedes, snails, mice, frogs, toads, bird eggs, carrion, mushrooms, grass roots, berries, melons, and small snakes. Now you may be a bit doubtful that hedgehogs eat snakes, however they are known to be immune to poisons and can escape the grasp of a snake. The mating period for hedgehogs is anywhere from 35 to 58 days, and they typically have a litter of 4 to 5 newborns dependent on the species. Now, my dear viewers, please remain seated for this intermission.
Oh my god, these vlogs won't come out.
If only Millie Bates was here. Hi, Millie Bates here with a special TV offer. You boys seem to be troubling yourselves with this dirty countertop. And luckily, I have a solution to your problems.
The Hedgetop Cleaner, capable of cleaning anything with its natural technology. The Hedgetop Cleaner is a small hedgehog that thrives in dirty areas. It will effectively remove any dirty areas with its quills specifically modified for cleaning. Place your order today.
Whenever you're done, the Hedgetop Cleaner is easily disposed.
Screw that. This is the magical way to dispose of it. What? Call now. 1-800 this is not a scam at plebigrocks.com.
It looks like an ordinary place. A country garden. But something weird is going on. Hedgehogs are on the prowl. Not for food or for mates, but for strange smells. Like these cans of turpentine. And when the hedgehogs smell something intriguing, they lick it up. Turpentine is hazardous to humans, but hedgehogs have a strong resistance to toxins. Other hedgehogs find a dropped pack of cigarettes and start to munch on the tobacco. What comes next is even stranger. They lather up and spread it all over their spines.
Alright folks, welcome back. And now on to the final half of the program. Hedgehogs have very weak eyesight, as they are known to be nocturnal. However, they have a very acute sense of smell which helps them a great deal in their daily life. Interesting little creatures they are. But unfortunately, these little hedgehogs are prone to cancer. The cancer cells spread rapidly among their skeletal makeup, thus rendering it a very tedious of a process to remove the cells, as this would require one to dispatch much of the essential bones needed to live. Hedgehogs are often known as small mammals with many pointy quills along their backs. This is a very unique trait, and they do indeed have about 5,000 to 6,000 quills purely for defense. The quills have other special functions, and this is used after climbing up a tall object, such as a tree. Like cats, hedgehogs have trouble climbing back down the tree, so instead they simply roll into a ball and fall off the object due to the shock-absorbing characteristic of the quills. Finally, the quills are also capable of protection in the event of an attack. With the sharp build of each quill, animals may find their face impaled by quills when attempting to attack. These quills are truly an amazing function. Hedgehogs form bonds very rarely. For example, when two hedgehogs form a couple and mate and reproduce, the two are often ignorant of each other and don't care for one another. When the babies are born, the male hedgehog simply leaves the mother to take care of the children all on her own. The hedgehogs have a dark side, and that's what people find great interest in. In some cases, such being if the female hedgehog has given birth and is stressed out due to the tough conditions or finds something wrong with her offspring, she will begin eating her newborn babies. This is typically to tend to her hunger and to prevent any other predators from eating them instead. This is a very strange thing indeed. Now, as we prepare to wrap up this program, it is certain that hedgehogs make excellent household pets and don't require much effort to tend to. If you're thinking about buying a hedgehog, I hope this video has helped close any doubts. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and we will now show one final clip. Have a great day, children.
It's not a pine cone. It's not a sponge. It's not a hairbrush with a face. It's a hedgehog.
Even just saying the word hedgehog makes me smile. They're so cute.
Weighing just around 1 pound, this tiny creature is famous for its 5,000 to 7,000 quills, which are smooth to the touch like bristles on a brush, but stick out every which way when a hedgehog curls into a defensive ball.
My name is Doug.
This is not a drill. The refs informed me that the hedgehog's about 30 pounds in weight have appeared from the depths of the Earth's crust and started attacking local residential areas. They make very distinct screeches, which should provide obvious evidence one is approaching. If you have any sort of basement or walkable room, we recommend you take refuge in said area. Designated persons will arrive shortly to defend the outbreak. Please wait for any further announcements and we will return shortly with more information.
Thank you for praying.